So this is probably a good place to talk about architecture here. You've got two different types of architecture. The more ancient one are these large stones that are cut. And remember, we had an earthquake in 62, AD 62. So they'd started rebuilding. And the more modern ones are these bricks. When you see a combination, that's been reconstructed. That's modern. But that was the more modern ancient style, and this is the ancient style pre AD 62 earthquake. That's, obviously issues that by some standing and others being destroyed and having to be rebuilt in the 17 years that preceded AD 79 earthquake.